Short and Senior Elaboration Paper, February 2018. Item rate sealed tenders are invited by the Controller of Administration, Central Leather Research Institute, Adayar, Chennai, for annual maintenance of electrical installations in the institute's staff quarters premises for the year 2017-18. Estimated cost of the work is rupees 14 lakhs and the earnest money deposit required is rupees 30,000. Tender documents can be had on payment of rupees 500. Time for completion of the work is 1 year. Tender documents will be available from 4th to 15th June 2017 between 9 am and 4 pm. Completed tenders will tie received up to 3 pm on 20th June 2017 and they will be opened at 4 pm on the same day in the presence of tenderers or their authorized representatives. The Controller of Administration reserves the right to accept or reject any tender without assigning any reason therefor. Draft tender notice. Applications are invited by the Special Officer Maruti Cooperative Sugar Mills Limited, Kumbakonam for the post of Office Manager. The candidate should be a graduate of a recognized university. He should have experience of 5 years in supervisory capacity in cooperative sugar mills in administrative sections. Age should be below 50 for the employees presently working in cooperative and public sector sugar mills. Scale up pay for the post is rupees 9,000 to 14,000. Dearness allowance will be paid. Applications should reach the special officer along with the copies of certificates and passport size photo within 15 days from the date of this advertisement. Draft advertisement. Draft a letter to the editor of the Hindu on the following lines. The Coimbatore bus terminus is one of the main transit points in Chennai. It requires improvement on many fronts, namely waste management, cleanliness, premises, and traffic control. People from various places use this facility every day. However, the state of affairs at the terminus is not good when compared to similar facilities in other metropolitan cities. Further, buses are parked in a haphazard manner. This causes delay and traffic congestion. The Greater Chennai Corporation is required to take steps to make necessary improvements to bring it on a par with bus terminus in other cities. A 50-year-old man died in an accident. He was riding a tricycle which was hit from behind by a sand-laden lorry at East Tambaram on Valacheri Main Road on Monday night. He was a scrap iron merchant. After the day's work, he was returning to his house at 10 pm. When the lorry hit his tricycle from behind, he was thrown off his vehicle and fell on the ground. He died on the spot. Tambaram Traffic Police are investigating. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident.